What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I just have a quick video for you guys because I really want to take a break, but some little things popped up, so I wanted to address them. So first up, I just want to remind you guys, over at Lowe's, Retail Me Not has 8% cash back. It very seldom ever goes that high, so please take advantage of that cash back. And honestly, the best deal is smoking unless you're going in store. There's a lot of good clearance stuff at Lowe's in store, but of course your mileage may vary. But online you have the Cobalt and Bosch Buy More Save Mores, and some of them are BOGO Buy More Save Mores. So take advantage of those. If it were me, if I was looking at anything to buy, I would probably go with this Cobalt 3-tool combo kit, and I believe you get $100 off if you get the $400 with the Cobalt stuff. With the Bosch, you gotta spend $450. You'll save $150. And remember that these two drywall tools, they come with free starter kits or 2 4-amp-hour batteries. On top of being buy more, save more, you can get this drywall cutout tool for like $60 with batteries, and this drywall screw gun for like $70-something with batteries. So take advantage of that, y'all, before it leaves. And not only are you just getting tools, but these are good tools. I haven't seen a drywall cutout tool better than this. And this drywall screw gun, man, the ergonomics, the sound, the balance, all that is good on this thing. It's well thought out. These are good tools, so just take advantage. Moving on, Dovo, and I also have a Hue part too that I got in a couple of days ago. I'm going to compare it to the Dovo. If y'all remember, I compared this to the last Goo. And man, this one right here is on super sale. At $273, it's normally $279. And these have some of the brightest lights. I wanted to hurry up and just turn on the Hue Power last night, and it's still not touching the visibility of this Dovo. This thing is so bright. So if you do stuff outside, you need a laser level outside, you could rock with this Dovo right here. It's on sale for $223. They also have another one that's on sale for $143, plus it add extra 5% coupon. Did this one have that? No, it didn't have that. And finally, I have a smaller budget one, still with green lines, for $34.99. But these are going to be more so indoor type situations. This one right here is the one if you need for outdoor. But honestly, I'm gonna tell y'all that Hue Power is nice. They have a screen, an actual onboard screen, a legit remote, 4 lines, a much better stand with more adjustments. It's really good. But again, if you need something outdoors, I haven't seen anything better than this Dovo in this price range. So there's that. Also, X-Tool is having sales on 2 more items. This diagnostic scanner under their brand of V-Diag tool. This also gets lifetime updates, which is a good thing. And you guys might be wondering, well, what's the difference between this and the little $15 one that was from yesterday? Okay, so as you go up in price, you obviously get more capabilities. So check this out. This can do ABS bleed, all right, and oil light reset, which a lot of them don't, but that's pretty easy to figure out how to reset your oil light. But the ABS bleed is a pretty big deal. I have a Lexus LX470, and when you go to change the brake fluid, you have to bleed the ABS system. You can only do that with an activation of the ABS system. So you either need the TechStream software from Toyota, or do what some crazy people do. They'll go out on the rocky road and just drive crazy to make the ABS activate. Or you can have a tool like this and activate the ABS bleed. And not only this will be better than getting a TechStream from Toyota, because this works on any car. So that is why these tools are so great. So I just want to show you guys that it's $119 with an extra $20 off. And also they have the D7 was on sale yesterday for $296. They also have the D8. So I have a 5% coupon code I'll leave in the description to give you, an extra 5% off that. And that's pretty much it. Just a quick video. I just want to show you guys these things. I'm going to take a break. You're going to see some review videos coming up over the next probably week. But the deals, unless something crazy pops up, I suggest y'all hike and creep around the Facebook group, because I need a break. So anyway, hopefully this was helpful. See you guys next time.